All right, today I'm going to introduce you to this Garden HighPro pack. In fact, it's what we offer on the website. These are complete packs. Inside you have a gardener box and Pro, a lamp, pots, a fan, and a charcoal filter extractor. Look at how we deliver this to your home. I suggest we go to the store and set this up. I will present it to you in detail. Let's go. So first, I will show you that at the end you have the 60 kit, and inside there are plenty of little things. It's really great for your cultivation, you'll see. I'll show you all of that at the end. Next, what will you find inside? You will definitely find a charcoal filter extractor that will remove the air and heat from your cultivation box. This is super important. With a fan, the fan does not extract air. It will simply strengthen your plants by simulating wind in your cultivation box. As a result, you will have plants with much thicker stems. They will be stronger to support large flowers or big fruits during the flowering period. You will have, coupled with the extractor, a charcoal filter to filter out odors and expel them. You have odorless air. Next, the most important thing in your cultivation is going to be the LEDMAXECO, the 60 watts. So this is a 60-watt LEDMAXECO panel that will really replicate the rays of the sun for your cultivation. This is also included in the pack. And finally, you will have 5 pots, 5 textile pots, 11 liters, and that's it. You know how much I really like textile pots. It's really great. You see the HydroCamp textile pot system behind. So this is really amazing for your cultivation. And to finish, the cultivation box, a basic PROBOX, 60 by 60 by 1.60 meters. And we are going to set up the box. Now, you see, it is set up. We have installed it. So the 4 textile pots already count as 4 pots. They provide 5, but you will want to do more, and you will harvest less if you use 5. So start with 4 11-liter textile pots. That will be very good. Now we are going to install the fan, and then move on to the charcoal filter extractor. All right. Now I'm going to show you how I do it. It works amazingly well. If you want to do some things differently, go ahead. But I know this works for me. I'm sure of it. So now I'm going to pass this. Are we putting this in there? Great. So here, need a... There, that's good, Hop. I fixed that, you see, it's holding perfectly, Hop. All right, and now we're going to install, so you saw, we put in the carbon filter, extractor, the duct, and now we're going to put in the most important part, the lighting. So this is the Small Max Pro lighting from Garden HighPro, an ultra-compact light with a suspension kit. So good, really amazing. We're going to hang this up, Hop, you pass it in there, and then I'm going to pass it over the bar, and then I'm going to bring it back and snap. You see, to have it above the bar, like this, come on. Before showing you the result, let me show you what's in this kit. Look at this. You have a little explanation to show your carbon filter, but they showed us how to make a thermo-hygro to control your humidity, a small scissors to trim your plants, a cable tie, a suspension hook, but actually it's not bad because this is the XL. You can pass a bar from your box inside. Then you have a mechanical timer that will manage the timing of your air extractor and your lamp, a little tape, you see, which is quite handy. You will have the duct in 100 millimeters that will allow you to connect your carbon filter and your air extractor. And finally, you're going to get a little sticker. Come on, I'll show you now that the box is set up, everything I've done. So here you already have the little 60-watt panel, you see, which is hanging. You have a little on-off switch. It is connected to the mechanical timer behind. So the carbon filter, as I told you, with the extractor, with the tape between the two, and then the duct, tightening collar, V. The exterior is suspended with the suspension kit that is provided with the box. The other bar is used to hang the lighting. We have the small fan running, you see. Now we just need to add some potting soil, but a light mix potting soil with fertilizer. You can go with Hydropassion, Plagon, Bio, Bees, Advanced Nutrients. You've really got a lot of stuff, and you see the box is actually pretty good. Now you have everything set up. We can add this. It's a little extra, you know, it's cool. It's going to allow you to monitor your temperature and humidity. You see, so it is available in other sizes, in 420 by 420, in 120 by 60. If you need information to create this pack or modify things, feel free to contact our team. We can set up installations with slightly more powerful systems for the same configuration, but here, the entry-level system is simple to install. It's not bad. Feel free to check out our other videos. We will be making more on the other packs and on lighting. We have the video that was released on fog. It's about a huge lighting system, and I will absolutely positively indeed see you very soon.